Hey guys, so real quick, I just want to go ahead and share this PSD package I got in the mail yesterday. I did do a shoot with them last week, I believe, and yesterday I just got a surprise package on my door. So I'm going to do a little try on, and then I was thinking about doing a YouTube video with all my PSD because I do have quite a few items and sets now. So yeah, let's get into it. So I haven't actually seen anything in here, so let me tell you. So my favorite thing about PSD is actually the colors. Like, I love their colors. Like, I love when they do like the black with the hint of like neon, or like any color, like the yellows, the pinks, the greens. That is so me. I try to stay away from them and do like more black, but like in all honesty, like I love color. Like, color just makes you happy. Color just like gives that little pop. Like, I love me some color. Anyways, first we have this. Let's get one at a time. Ooh, and I think right here is the matching. Love that color. Second, we have a little cheetah, and this is a bra. Next, we have this black and white. Oh, is that a little bit of, oh, see, you see that little hint of color, that cotton candy? Love that. Next, we have this one. And then here is the matching bottoms. I dropped the Playboy matching bottoms. Next are these matching bottoms, and then a little slip. I think I could try some on for you guys. If not, I'll just, do it in another video. Like, look at this. Okay, so this is technically my favorite style from them. I realized that they had like the boxer brief style, and so it just gives a little bit more length than the short style. And this is my favorite style. Like, hands down, favorite style. Love them. How cute. And like this color, like it just like complements your skin tone. I love it. Look at this. And this is like their shorter version that I was talking about. I believe this one's called boy shorts. And I don't know if you guys know, but this is like the most breathable material ever. It's made of like 88% polyester. And besides the stretch, because the stretch is clearly amazing, like it like hugs everything, it's freaking breathable, which I like really love. And I think I'm gonna actually start wearing it underneath my gym clothes. So yeah, here is this one. Tell me, like, it's the black with the pop color. Like, that is my favorite thing ever. And the prints are so cute and so different. Yeah, and they do have solid colors, which are also cute, like the first one, but I think I like the little print a little bit better. So yeah.